In the sequence of components of news writing, we are going towards the news story. How should one collect story for news and news publishing, and what are the requirements that should be included in writing of news or collecting of news story. The news items that appear in newspaper are also called news stories. In literature, stories may not have their base in actual events, but a news story is always based on facts. History is also based on facts, but it deals with events of the past, while news stories are about current events. Further, a news story is normally written in an inverted pyramid style, that is, the most important facts come first, followed by other facts in order of their significance. The inverted pyramid style has developed in journalism over the years. It helps those readers who don't have enough time to read the whole story. It also helps sub-editors since they can easily discard as much of the story from the tale as required without affecting the readability of the rest of the story. Now, let's have a look at a typical news story, or we can say that what should be what should the structure of a news story. Here we will see an example for writing of a news story. Heading of news is No UK recognition for Khalistan. So in writing of this story, first we will give introduction of the story of the event in 2 or 3 lines, and then start next paragraph. It may be of 3 or 4 lines, and then further an extra paragraph can be included, can be added to this story. So in first paragraph or first lines that we call as introductory lines. So for example, we are we see the pattern of news story, pattern of writing news story. So in first 3 lines, here we will see an event that is written in a news. London, May 1st, newspaper is PTI. The British government today rejected the plea of 6 separatists for recognition of Khalistan, which they had proclaimed in Amritsar 3 days ago. So these are first 3 lines or first paragraph of this event or this news story of a newspaper. Then we start our next paragraph that consists of next paragraph that consists of 3 or 4 lines begins like a foreign office spokesman said the unity and territorial integrity of India were central to peace and to the well-being of the whole region. When asked about reports that the separatists had appealed to Britain and certain other countries to recognize Khalistan, then next paragraph begins as past elections in Punjab had demonstrated that the people did not support secession, therefore the question of recognized Khalistan did not arise, he added. So this is the news story that we have seen here. So from this paragraph, we can, with the help of this news pattern, we can learn how should we divide our news into different paragraphs, and covering of it depends on the importance or weightage of event, that how much space it covers on the newspaper, in the newspaper. So in this news story, it explains such as: no UK recognition for Khalistan, which appears in bold type, is the headlines. It is placed at the head of the story and gives an idea to the newspaper reader about the subject of the story. London, May 1st is the date line. It tells the reader the place and the date of the news story. So we have done in our first lines. The newspaper has published this story, which was supplied by the news agency Press Trust of India, by mentioning. The paper acknowledges the source of the story and gives the credit to the news agency. Sometimes the name of the reporter or the correspondent appears below the headline, mentioning by or from. For example, from V.S. Karnik or by Kamar Sandhu. This is the term as byline. So we will discuss in detail. We will consider this news story in detail. The first paragraph of the story is called intro or lead. In the above example, the British government today rejected the plea of 6 separatists for recognition of Khalistan, which they had proclaimed in Amritsar 3 days ago, is the intro. The rest of the story is called the body of the story. Intro gives the most important information contained in the story, and therefore it is the most crucial part. It should contain the highest amount of news value. A good intro is the prerequisite of a good story. The proverb, well begin is half done, applies very well in this case. You really do half of the work on a news story if you write a good intro. The body of the story follows the inverted pyramid styles. Basic elements of a news story can be found by asking and trying to find answers to 6 basic questions. So here we can discuss elements of the news story. What are the elements that can be included in the news story? So we can arise 5 questions for covering our story, and these 5 questions, popularly known as W's and 1H. 5 W's are what, when, where, who and why, and the H is how. So there was a time when journalists were supposed to answer all the questions in the intro, but then it was realized that this resulted in overcrowding of the opening paragraph and loss of clarity, which at times confused and irritated the reader. The style of the news agencies, full of non-aligned countries, has this to say on this subject. Basically, a news story must answer the 3 W's: what, why, and when. As a rule, the answers to these should find place in the opening paragraph. 3 other questions could be who, why, and how, but they do not necessarily arise in all stories. Except where they themselves form the cardinal point of a story, answers to them can usually be accommodated in the later paragraphs. Thus, there is no hard and fast rule about these W's and H and their inclusion in the intro or lead. A story may not have answers to all of them, but all these questions should be asked to identify the basic elements of the news story. Then, according to news value, the most important element should come in the intro. An intro may be in reply to one or more or all of the questions, but there should be no compromise on clarity of expression. If a reader has to go over a sentence a second time to understand it, then it cannot be a good intro or lead. A test for elements of news and their proper order could be provided with the 4 letters of the word news as keys. N for newsworthiness. Does the story contain news value? E for emphasis. Does the intro contain the most important or interesting fact? W for the 5 W's and H. Do their answers exist in the story? As for sources of information, does the story identify the source where it is necessary? So these are our essential elements of covering of news story.